Hi guys, welcome back to Gloss and Sparkle. So what I have for you today is an unboxing from Boutique by the Box. As you guys know, I am not just a YouTuber, but I also am a reseller of clothing and fashion. So I'm always on the lookout for different places that you can source clothing for your inventory. And yeah, I have not heard of this place before called Boutique by the Box, so I thought I'd try them out. They sell boxes that are curated for resellers. And today I'm going to be unboxing, I'll explain to you why I'm using air quotes, a 5-piece reseller box from Generation Love, which is, as you know, a Revolve brand. So I use air quotes because the box that it came in was absolutely demolished, and that's not their fault, but USPS, I don't know what's going on with them, but lately all of my packages, not all of them, but a good majority of them have been squashed. Just absolutely squashed. So I don't know what's going on over there, but they need to get it together. So, yes. And I love my mail carrier. It has nothing to do with her either. Okay. And yeah, so let's get into this box. I wrote down so many figures for you guys to be able to, hopefully you'll be able to tell if it's something that you want to do or if it's something that would be worth your time to invest in for your own reselling business. So yeah, let's get started. So the first top, and they came in these bags. Where are they? They came in these bags, each piece very nicely wrapped. They are all unwrapped at this point because I just got through filming this video and I hated every second of the footage. So yeah, we're refilming this now. So I'm getting to know these clothes very well. Anyway, so the first item is this top. It's the Mimi Pastel Rose top. It's a sleeveless chiffon with these cute, it's sort of, yeah, it is a floral detail. And it's got a little bit of shimmer, gold shimmer inside it. This is the Generation Love tag, in case you haven't seen it before. And, well, that was the label. This is the tag right here. This is in a size medium. Super cute. Generation Love retails for quite a bit. So this top here retails for $225. I only could find one listing of this exact top, and it was listed for $219. However, the only solds that I found were in a different shade. It was a camo version of this same top, and it sold for $40. So to be on the safe side, let's just say that you could resell this for about that same amount, $40. But I definitely think you could get more for this one, and I definitely plan on listing it higher. Okay, so the next item are these. I don't know if I'm going to sell these yet because I really like them, and I might keep them if they fit me. These are Generation Love Isla tie-dye pants. Look at these. How bright and colorful and fun are these? Jogger sweatpants. Love them so much. These are so soft. They're fleece inside. They retail for $175. I only could find 2 of this exact shade listed actively for $39, and I found a bunch of solds for $39. So again, I think you could safely say $39, $40. You could remake off these, but again, I might keep these. Okay, so the next item is beautiful. This is the Selena Skirt. I'm so mad that this is an extra small because I think this is so pretty. Look at the shimmer on this skirt. It's black chiffon. It's got a beautiful ruffle down at the hem, and it is lined to the knee. Just this silver, beautiful silver threading. So pretty. So pretty. This retails for $265. Comps were all over the place for this. I saw it anywhere from $35 actively listed to $120. And the only sold that I found was in a different shade for $30. So again, I think you could definitely safely say that you could make $30 off of this. I really think that you can make more, and I definitely plan on listing it higher. But yes, to be on the total safe side, I would say $30. I'm only telling you these figures so that we can add them up at the end and figure out what your ROI would be. Return on investment. Okay, so the next item are these Freya crystal shorts. Let me show you what they look like. super cute, black wash, high rise, and then they have all these little gems throughout. So pretty. Love them. And it's about a 9-inch inseam, so they're a bit long line. These retail for $158. Again, comps were all over the place. Active listings from $30 to $75. And I could not find any comps, sold comps on this exact style. So based on what I'm basing this figure off of is sort of the average-ish cost of sold comps on Generation Love shorts of any kind. Again, it's hard to say because right when you look at the sold comps for Generation Love shorts, the first one was a sold comp for $6. The next one was a sold comp for $157. So it's hard to say how much you're going to make on these, but as they retail for $158, I think I would probably list these for minimum $48 and see how you could do. But to stay on the safe side, let's just say $30 again. Okay. And the last item, that was quick. The last item are these Faye shorts. Now these are, I think, tweed. Everything they have has a cute little shimmer in it. Do you see that? Beautiful baby blue shorts. Everything's brand new with tags. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you could see it. And they've got pockets. Love these. These retail for $198. I only found one comp or active listing of these in this particular shade, and it was going for $99. But again, no sold comps of this exact style of shorts. So I would again say, yeah, the retail price is what, $198? So I'd probably do maybe $48 on these. But again, to be super, super safe, $30. Okay, so the total retail value of all 5 items is $1,021. So if you're looking to shop for yourself, that's a great deal because you're buying all 5 of these items for $124.99 and you're getting over $1,000 worth of retail value. So the possible sale total at the bare bones minimum would be about $170, give or take. Well, probably not take, probably give. And did I just mix that up? I'm not really sure. But either way, I think that's the bare bones you could make. So it's up to you whether or not an investment of $125 and then to be able to make a bare minimum of $170 is worth it for you and your business. You're going to have to decide that yourself. However, Boutique by the Box has kindly offered to give all of my viewers $10 off their first box. And yeah, I don't actually have the coupon code as I'm filming this video, but by the time it goes live, I will have put that coupon code down in the description box. So if you want to check out that $10 coupon code, just open the description box and you will see it down in there. So yeah, that was the Boutique by the Box. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you've tried this before or any other reseller boxes, please let me know what you think of them and which ones are good. And yeah, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.